Alright, hello everyone, welcome to the vlog. Jamie and I are about to embark on a little adventure out to the coast, to Mt Tam, do a little hiking with Stinson Beach, have some tacos at the Marin canteen where we had our wedding reception, and see where the day takes us from there. We will see you on the coast. Alright, so we are hiking up the Mt Davis Trail of Mt Tam State Park. Tamalpais. So, yeah, currently we're about, ooh, look at this view. Anyway, we're 530 feet up. I think we keep climbing until about 1,600 some feet. And then hike back down to the ravine. And then go to the Marin canteen on Stinson Beach for tacos. That'll be our reward for this hike. And then probably a dip at some point in the ocean to cool off. When hiking serious trails, always wear proper footwear. And we're out of the woods. Oh. Into the prairie. The woods were hard because of the technical nature of it. This part is difficult for a whole nother reason. The sun's out now and it's about 20 degrees warmer than it was when we started out. How long have we been hiking for? Alright, sunscreen reapplied. Ready for more. There's a trail marker, let's see what it says. Pantole, 1.7 miles. So there's where we've just come from. That's Jamie. Hiking up now. Check it out. There's San Francisco. You can even see the Golden Gate peeking out right there. It's shrouded in a lot of fog right now, but you can see that antenna tower sticking out over there. See the skyline in the distance over there. this where Rachel and them were? Look at those folks. It. This is as high as I am gonna go today. Pretty awesome stuff. We've got the coastline over there, Point Reyes National Seashore. And if I wanted, but I don't, but if I wanted more golden hills to climb behind me. I am gonna return now because my legs are kind of giving out on me in a still 2.5 mile hike, about hour 45 minutes downhill back to the beach, so we can cool off and get something to eat at the Siren Canteen, which is also where we had our wedding reception. So as you can tell, this coast, West Marin County, holds some special meaning for us. So, I'm gonna go meet back up with Jamie now, and we'll start the descent. We're currently at about 1,600 feet, something like that. So, time to head back down. I've got about 526 feet left to descend. The legs are kind of just about giving out on me. I think downhill is a little bit harder than uphill for me.
Food.
Yeah, after a long hike, we returned to the Siren Canteen and got some lunch and some Golden State cider. And yeah, finally get to eat after a long, hard hike. Oh, we jumped in the ocean too. And it was freezing, but it was just what I needed after that hike. So.
Put your hands together. Yeah.
We're leaving Stinson Beach.
Yeah. Put your hands together. Yeah. Put your hands together. Yeah.
We're leaving the beach life.
Put your hands together.
So that concludes our day to the coast. We're going to turn around now, head back to Sacramento. It's a beautiful, like 65, 68 degrees out right now where I'm standing. And we'll head back to Sacramento where it's still probably about 100 degrees at the moment. Not that I'm bitter or anything. So anyway, thanks for watching our adventures today, and subscribe, like, and tune in for more in the future.